Hello, my friends. It is Mega Meet time. It's the biggest show of the year. It's May 9th, 10th, and 11th. Yes, it is a 3-day show in Novi, Michigan. Now, a lot of times when I'm traveling, people always say, what's the biggest convention? What's the one I should go to? If I'm going to travel to one, which one should I travel to? Dun, 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 dun. It is the Great Lakes Mega Meet in Novi, Michigan. May 9th, 10th, and 11th. It's the biggest one out there, and it is so much fun. They have a great time at this show. Club members, of course, you're going to get the club discount in our booth. If you're not in the club, join at the show and get extra goodies. Woo, woo. And you get your discount in the booth, which is even more exciting. And we have freebies to give you, club members. We have special brand new buttons for 2019. We have so much fun. Now come see us May 9th, 10th, and 11th. That's Mother's Day weekend, but it's Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So you could just tell your hubbies or your boyfriends or whatever, hey, I need a weekend. This is Mother's Day weekend. I'm taking a girls trip. Come see us in Novi, Michigan. I'll see you there. Bye-bye.